Ever pondered why inner peace seems like a luxury rather than a necessity in this bustling world? As life's pace quickens, stress levels skyrocket, making the tranquility of inner peace seem like an elusive dream. Yet it's this very peace that fosters mental resilience, nurtures harmonious relationships, and bolsters productivity. Inner peace, therefore, is not just a personal sanctuary, but a lighthouse to illuminate the path through a world of chaos. The pursuit of inner peace, therefore, becomes not just a personal quest, but a societal necessity. So how does one cultivate this elusive state of inner peace? Well, it's akin to nurturing a delicate plant. It requires patience, consistency, and love. Firstly, embrace self-awareness. Understand your emotions, recognize your triggers. This is the soil from which your inner peace will grow. Next, practice acceptance. Acceptance is like the sunlight, essential for growth. Accept your flaws, your strengths, and everything in between. Understand that you are a work in progress, and that's perfectly fine. Then, detach yourself from external circumstances. Much like how a plant doesn't fret over a passing cloud, don't let external situations disturb your peace. Life is filled with ups and downs, but your inner peace should remain constant. Lastly, cultivate mindfulness and meditation. These are the water and nutrients your inner peace needs. Soak in the present moment, meditate to clear your mind, and let your inner peace flourish. Remember, it's not about reaching a destination, but embracing the journey towards inner tranquility. So to encapsulate our journey towards inner peace, it's about cultivating a daily practice of self-awareness, surrendering to acceptance, fostering a sense of detachment from external circumstances, and nurturing mindfulness in every moment. Don't forget the calming power of meditation, a staple in the quest for tranquility. These are the fundamental pillars that hold up the serene temple of inner peace. With these tools at your disposal, inner peace is not just a dream, but a reality within your grasp.